Head coach of West Indies women, Courtney Walsh, reviews the recently held ICC World Cup. He was speaking with the host of the regional cricket show Line and Length.
I thought the girls did a very good show. I thought the performance was very good. We went there having gone through the qualifiers and to have made it to the semi-finals. I'm really very proud of the girls and the approach and the attitude they put towards the cricket. The competition was very stiff. It was very good cricket played by all the teams that thought I was there. I think for me, it was probably one of the most exciting World Cup I've been to, where there were so many close games. So I think the competition was very stiff. Any team on the day could come out victorious, I believe. Well, probably apart from the Australians who were eventually winners, but you felt that any team who put together the right strategy and the right plans on the day and performance by executing, they could come out victorious. And it shows that throughout the competition. All the teams that did well consistently or did well in the games, it's just who executed better on the day or on most of the days.